Hey friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off for your group invitation links on Battle.net. So if you have any group that you created and you have those invitation links, by default, those groups have 24 hours before they expire. And I'm going to show you how to turn this off so that the links will never expire. So once you're on your account in Battle.net, click the chats and groups on the lower right hand side, then go to your groups and then choose the option to invite some friends here. So once you select that, go to the section where it says invite link, and here you will be able to expand the link options here. Now here you have expiration after. You can switch this to never, and that's going to turn off the expiration of those links. You can also do it for the number of uses as well. You can put that to unlimited. Once you do that, those links will turn off the expiration, turn off the unlimited, turn off the limited uses, and so that you can use it unlimited. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.